Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to learn the phonic sound for letter A. So letter A and letter I will make the phonic sound A. Letter A and letter E will make the phonic sound A. And letter A with a space, that means there is any consonant. And letter E will make the phonic sound A. Let's see a few words from all the ways how to write down A. Let's see first for letter A and letter I with the phonic sound A. R, A, N, rain. R, A, N, rain. P, A, L, pale. P, A, L, pale. St, stir. A, stay, N, stain. St, stir. A, stay, N, stain. W, A, way, stir, waste. W, A, stir, waste. Now let us look at letter A and letter Y making a sound as A. Letter B, B, A, bay. B, A, bay. K, L, cl, A, clay. K, L, cl, A, clay. P, L, pl, A, play. P, L, pl, A, play. Now let us look at letter A with a consonant and letter E. Together we'll make A. Sn, sn, A, k, snake. Sn, sn, A, k, snake. P, L, pl, A, t, plate. P, L, pl, A, t, plate. W, A, L, whale. W, A, L, whale. So children, today we have done the phonic sound for A. I hope you all enjoyed. Happy learning. Bye-bye.